In today's video, I want to introduce a secret indicator on TradingView that helps you to know when it's a good time to enter in the market and make a huge profit. To add this wonderful indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search fear zone. This one, fear zone contrarian indicator, which is written by someone named Zierman. Alright, this is the indicator which is in the form of some red candles here below the price. This is a contrarian indicator, which means it gives us some signals that fear is spread in the market and there is a probability to have increased volatility and advancing of the price, so it can provide us some good opportunities to enter in the market. The idea of contrarian trading or investing is from some famous investors like Warren Buffett, who once said, "Be fearful when others are greedy and greedy when others are fearful." It means that when everyone in the market is scared and selling their assets or closing their positions, it's a good time for you to buy or open a long position. In short-term view, it's a type of risky strategy because you're moving against the market, but in long-term view, it's usually a profitable strategy because you are entering at the potential point of reversals, and because of this, it's more suitable for long-term trading and investing. Alright, let me show you some examples. This is the price chart of Bitcoin and we are on 1-day time frame. Let me scroll back a little in the past so I can show you more examples. Alright, first of all, please pay attention that this is not a buy-sell signal indicator, and for example, when we get a red candle like this here below the price, it doesn't mean that we must enter a buy position here. This indicator from here is giving us the signal that the market participants are feared and they started selling heavily. This usually happens after a period of tight range market. Let me add a volatility indicator to our chart like Bollinger Bands, this one, so I can better illustrate what is going on here. Here you can see that Bollinger Band is squeezed, and starting from here, this tightening range is broken, and you can see that Bollinger Band suddenly became widened and the price is running on the lower band of the Bollinger Band. So in practice, when you see this, you know that it's not a good time to buy now. And this indicator, as I said, is telling us that we are in a fear zone and we can be prepared to enter in the market in a good opportunity. The entry can be based on price action analysis or any reversal strategy that you use. For example, let me add RSI to our chart. This one, relative strength index, just to give you an example how it should be done. Here you can see that we have a divergence between price and RSI line, and this suggests a reversal is probably going to happen. And for example, we can enter when RSI crosses above 50, which at the same time also the price crossed above the middle band of the Bollinger Band. This was just an example to show you how you can use a reversal strategy for discovering entry points, and in practice any reversal trading strategy can be used for discovering entry points after having a fear zone on the chart. And in this case, you can see that buying Bitcoin or entering a long position around here could bring us a good profit of around 230%. Alright, moving on the chart, here we have signals of fear in the market and also here, and after them we had just a small advancing of the price and not a reversal happened. And here again we got signals of fear in the market, which this one was a true reversal signal in the market, as you can see. Anyway, when we are trying to catch the reversal point of the market for long-term position holding or investing, it doesn't matter to enter here, here, or for example here, because the move after that is usually big enough to make you a huge profit. The point is that around here, the market participants were fearful, and this provides us a good opportunity to enter in the market, which in this case, you can see that, for example, entering around here could yield a profit of something like near 800%, as you can see. Alright, moving on the chart, here again we have a signal of fear in the market, and you can see that we had a reversal after that. Moving on the chart, we have some signals of fear in the market, and as I said earlier, when the price is declining, we may have these fear signals, but after them the price advances a little bit, just a pullback, and then further declining of the price, as you can see. If you remember, I mentioned at the beginning of the video that the ones that form after a range market or tight consolidation has more value for us, not the one following a declining of the price. And for these cases, usually your reversal strategy doesn't provide you any signal. Let me add RSI again to our chart, this one, to show you this fact. For example, here for this case, you can see that RSI is not even oversold, or for these cases, no divergence. So not any potential reversal signal until now. But starting from here, you can see that the market went to a tight consolidation period. Just pay attention to Bollinger Bands, how it's squeezed, and then widened on the downside breakout of the price. Here we got a signal of fear in the market, and RSI also shows divergence. So here when the price crosses above the middle band of the Bollinger Band, or for example here when the RSI crosses above 50, we can enter a long position, and you can see that it was a correct signal on the reversal point of the market. This indicator is very powerful in showing the fear zone in the market, but as I said, it's not a buy sell signal indicator, and it just shows you when the market is in a fear zone, and then your trade entry must be based on a reversal strategy where it helps you to enter in the right time. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.